Determinant of a square matrix. Let's say we have matrix A. So first of all, look at 2 by 2 matrix. Say A equals to A, B, C, D. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. We have a 2 row and a 2 column. 2 row, 2 column. This is a 2 by 2 matrix, which make it to be square. Now the determinant of A, written as determinant of A, or you write it this way: determinant of A will be equals to A, B, C, D. Now looking for this determinant, this is going to give us that, just like cross multiplication, A times D minus C times B. And how do you say A times D, this multiplied by this, minus B multiplied by C, say B times C. And as such, determinant of A will be equals to AD minus BC. So this is how to get the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Now let's look at this example. Find the determinant of matrix A equals to 7, 2, 3, 1. So matrix A is 7, 2, 3, 1, and this is a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 row, 2 column. So in doing this, determinant of A equals to this multiplied by this, which is a 7 multiplied by 1, minus this multiplied by this, which is a 3 multiplied by 2. And here we're going to have 7 times 1, that is 7, minus 3 times 2, that is 6. So 7 minus 6, our determinant of A will be equals to 1. So this is how to get the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Now, getting the determinant of 3 by 3 is a bit different from getting the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Now let's see this in 3 by 3 matrix. Alright, see example. Find the determinant of the matrix cell B equals to, say, 2, 1, 4, 3, 5, 1, 2, 0, 6. So we're going to look for the determinant of this matrix now. Now let's see how we're going to do this. So B determinant equals to, now say 2, 1, 4, 3, 5, 1, 2, 0, 6. Alright, we can use any of these 3 rows to get the determinant, and we can also use any of these 3 columns to find the determinant. But now we are going to use the first row to get the determinant. And how do we do that? We distribute the sign, say plus, minus, plus here. Now the first value in this uh, row here is 2. Then this is 2 into, if you pick 2, this row and this column is out of what we are looking for now, so it remains 5106. So 5106 here is minus, say minus, and the value here is 1, say minus 1. We are picking 1 this row and this column. We are cancelling this row, we are cancelling this column, so it remains 3216. 3216, then plus 4. We are picking 4 now. Cancel this column, cancel this row, so it remains 3520. There's a 3520. So this equals to 2. Now we're going to look for the determinant of this 2 by 2 that are in the bracket here. We're saying 5 times 6, that is a 30, minus 1 times 0, 0, minus 1 into bracket 3 times 6, that is 18, minus 2 times 1, 2, plus 4 into bracket 3 times 2, 0, minus 2 times 5, that is 10. So here we're going to have 2 into bracket 30, minus 1 into bracket 18 minus 2, that is 16, plus 4 into bracket minus 10. Open this further, we have 60 minus 16, 4 times minus 10, that is a minus 40. Therefore, our determinant of matrix B is going to be 60 minus 16 minus 40, that's going to be 4. So the determinant of this matrix here is going to give us 4. Now let's look at another way. We have many ways of solving this. Now, initially we use, let's say, matrix B equals to, let's pick it from here again, say 2, 1, 4, 3, 5, 1, 2, 0, 6. Initially we use the first row to get the matrix, but in this case now we want to use the first column to get our matrix. We use the first row. Now I want to use this column. We use this column here. Now distributing this, and this is going to be plus, minus, plus. So I'm picking plus 2 now, say d equals to 2. Picking 2, this row, this column is cancelled. I mean 5106. 5106. Yeah, minus 3. Picking minus 3, this column, this row is cancelled. So we have 1406. That's 1406. Now remain plus 2 here, say plus 2. So this row, this column is cancelled. We have 1451. 1451. Alright, say 2 into bracket. We'll find the determinant of this 2 by 2. So 5 times 6, 30, minus 0 times 1, 0, minus 3 into bracket, 0 times 4, 0 times 4, and 1 times 6, so 1 times 6, that will be 6, minus 0 times 4, 0, plus 2 into bracket, 1 times 1, that will be 1, minus 5 times 4, that is 20. Alright, so this is going to give us 2 into bracket 30, minus 3 into bracket 6, 6 minus 0, 6, say plus 2 into bracket minus 19. Minus 19. So therefore, our determinant B will be equal to 2 times 30, 60 minus this time this 18, the minus 38, and this is still going to give us 4. So we can use any of the row and any of the column.